How's it, everybody? My name is William. This is Lerato. Welcome SA 191 Mauritius to OR Tambo Johannesburg. We just about ready to go. We've actually set up everything. We're just waiting for the passengers to board. We were about to brief with Lerato. Lerato flew here. He did a nice landing today. We're taking about 19,000 or so kilograms of fuel, which is more than we require, but that's for operational reasons in Joburg. They're short and stuff, so we're taking a lot more than we normally do. We're gonna fly. If you take like an aerial view of our airport, this is where we are. We're gonna fly, turn right, climb to about 34,000 initially, and fly to the south, actually to the north of Reunion, south of Madagascar, approach Maputo from the east, and Johannesburg. Landing runway 03 right. This is our routine, that green line. Now this is Johannesburg, this is the runway, this is where we're gonna come. And the weather, we just came from there, it's pretty much good. A little bit of turbulence here and there, but nothing to write home about. And yeah.